Hi and heartily welcome to my channel. Hope you all are safe and you all are following the guidelines of the government because currently we are going through tough times and we are facing a universal problem, COVID-19. So let's be united, let's be strong and fight against the coronavirus, and let us pray to God that He heals this problem as soon as possible. Right? So moving on to the topic, today I would like to talk about happiness. Well, I don't know how many of you just smiled hearing to the word happiness. I don't think so many of you did, but if you have done, I'm really happy. Because currently in this busy world, people have forgotten to smile and they don't know what actual happiness means. Well, the fact is, many of us are in a wrong perception that happiness needs many things attached to it. So, in simpler words, if I had to tell, many people think we need money, we need job, we need bungalows, we need bank balances to be happy. But I would like to say that is not the case. Happiness is not a dependent factor. You can be happy whoever you are currently. Because happiness is a independent factor. It is not dependent on anything. If you don't have bank balance, if you don't have a job, if you don't have anything, you're not successful in life, still you can be happy. That is why I said it is your state of mind and it is your internal feeling to be happy. Today, now, at this moment, if you decide to be happy, nobody can stop you from being happy. So keep in mind, happiness doesn't require anything or anyone to make you happy or to be happy in this world. It is an independent factor. It is your internal feeling. It is your decision to be happy. If you decide to be happy, nobody can stop you. And irrespective of anything you're doing currently or irrespective of any status you are into, if you decide, you can be happy. Right? In this video, I have decided to give 3 points, 3 major points, which will help you to be happy in your life. If not completely, at least it will start helping you to cultivate the habit of happiness. Right? So let's go. The first thing is, do not compare yourself to anything or anybody in this world. Obviously, the statement itself says that means you should not compare yourself to anybody or anything in this world. Why would you? If you ask me, definitely I will not compare myself to anyone. Why should I compare myself? Because if I start comparing myself to others, I would not be able to find out what potential I have. But I would be trying to find out what potential the other person has, and I would try to build up that potential, or I will try to learn that skill what other person has, in which I might be successful or not. Because what skill other person has, you might be having or you might not be having it. Right? So stop comparing yourself to others. That is when you stop at this point, you will be able to find out what potential you have within you. You might be having equivalent or the better potential what you were comparing to other person. You might be having a better potential what other person has. You would be able to find out that only when you stop comparing yourself. Right? So please don't compare yourself. The second point is value for the things what you already have. Well, that is very, very important factor. Until and unless you don't value for what you have, You don't deserve to get anything else what you don't have, according to me. Because when you don't know to value what you already have, then what is a guarantee that you would be valuing what you are about to get? And you would be getting something only when you value what you already have. It might be your talent, it might be your spouse, it might be your children, it might be your parents. Value for each and everything what you have, what you are blessed with. If you start valuing what you already have, you would be able to make use of those things and come up in life. Right? So, what you already have might be a dream for a person who don't have. What you already have, if you sit and think, many people don't have those facilities, don't have those things what you already have in your life. So please value for what you already have and try to make that equivalent or interesting to the present world and try to come up with that. Right? And the third thing is believe in yourself. Of course, see, when you start believing in yourself, 90% of your problems are already solved. Because people are not happy. Why they are not happy? Because they have tensions. Why they have tensions? Because they are doubtful. They have doubts in their mind whether they would be able to fulfill what they are supposed to. Maybe a person is thinking whether he would be able to earn his daily bread to his family or his dependent. Or some person might be thinking like whether he would be able to be successful in this life. Whatever his concern is, he is worried about that concern only when he don't believe in his potential. Right? You are concerned about something only when you don't believe your potential. So, I would suggest you believe in yourself. 100% belief you should have. When you have 100% belief in yourself, 90-95% of your problems are already solved. Because when you believe in yourself, you are confident enough and you are surrounded by the positive vibes that yes, you would be able to do and you will be doing whatever you are required to do in this life. Right? So let us brush up the 3 points what I said. First thing is, do not compare yourself to anybody or anything in this world, because when you don't compare, that is when you will find out your true potential, which will lead to happiness. The second thing is value for the things what you already have, because when you value for the things what you have, when you start counting whatever you are blessed with, definitely you will be happy because you are blessed with many things. And the third thing is, and the main and the very much important thing is, believe in yourself. When you start believing in yourself, definitely you would be able to solve 95% of your problems, and the complexities what you have built up in your mind will be removed, and which will in turn lead to happiness. So from today, please keep these three things in your mind and let us be happy, let us make others happy, and let us get happiness in our life, and let's spread happiness in others' life. Right? Thank you.